It's not just about giving a man a fish, it's about teaching a man to fish. And once the man knows how to fish, he has an unspoken aura. Something changes about him that makes that money much more valuable.
It's detectable.
And it's detectable. Being a rich dork who just found some money on a crypto pump is not a life worth living. You need to make that money, because as you make that money, you learn everything about negotiation, networking. You learn everything about stress and hard work and determination. And it is those things that is going to change your soul and forge you into a man which is respected by your peers and also respected by the females that you're trying to attract. And they're going to look at you in a way where they're going to know, I can actually trust this man. He didn't find this money. He didn't get this money lucky. He earned it. He's the kind of man who never fails and never loses. And that's why it's so important that you earn money. Even if I could give you all $1 million right now, I wouldn't do it. It wouldn't be good for you. It would be detrimental for you. Most of you are not ready for wealth. You have to go out there and earn it yourselves.
Being average is not acceptable anymore. At all. It's not acceptable anymore. And it's not acceptable in the sexual marketplace, but it's also just not acceptable, I don't think, even in life anymore. Period. You have to diversify now so much to even protect yourself. The idea that you can just be a law-abiding citizen in a country and just work your job and be okay is gone. It's gone. If COVID doesn't prove that, I don't know what will. Yeah. Look at my situation. You have to diversify. You have to be smart enough that you have assets and friends and capability and lawyers and whatever all over the world now. That's the only way to protect yourself. You can't just sit within one jurisdiction and go, oh, well, but I don't speed, so it's going to be okay. I don't think it is. I think it's coming to a point where it's not going to be okay. And AI is going to make it harder and harder again for those average men. It's going to be harder and harder. I don't think the exceptional men are ever going to suffer from AI. I think we're going to use AI. So many men say, I want to be the man, but they don't want to suffer. They don't want to fight. And I don't understand why, because even if you look at a superhero movie, they tell you, even in superhero movies, they make it very clear. Batman's parents died. That's why he's Batman. All the bad things have to happen. There's no way to get there without the bad things. I get so many emails from people complaining about their bad things, and I don't have time to reply to any of them, but if I could, I'd say good. Good luck, congratulations, off you go. Of course she broke your heart. Of course you're sad, of course you miss her. She's with me now. That's life. That's part of it. That's the only way you're gonna get to that level of resilience. You can't become the man any other way.
Manhood is exceptionally hard, and life is hard. But how you shape yourself will determine how hard it is for you and how miserable it will be. I've said this many times in many different iterations on different podcasts, but I want to repeat it again. As a man, there is no easy life. If you're looking for an easy life, you should have been a girl. You made a mistake. Your life is not about being easy. Your life is not about being happy. Your life is always going to be difficult. All of the pain you feel, all of the sadness you feel, you're supposed to feel as a man, and you have two effective binary choices. You either go through the suffering and go through the trauma and go through the hardship it takes to be a man of value, or you suffer eternity as a nobody. And being invisible, I would argue, is almost worse. You can have a very stress-free life if you work in Starbucks. You don't care about the Starbucks once you clock off. You're not at work at the time. You go home, you play video games, and you exist until you die. That's stress-free, but you have to suffer being a nobody. Alternatively, you can go out there into the world, try and implement your mark on the world, work hard, try to get rich, more money, more problems. You can try and start a business, the stress of that. You can lose your girlfriend because all you're doing is working. This is a new level of stress, a new level of trauma, but at least you'll be a somebody at the end of it. There's two ways to suffer. You either suffer to become a somebody, or you suffer as a perpetual and forever nobody.
This is what amazes me when men go, I struggle with motivation. How can you struggle with motivation in the modern world? Are you asking to just lose? Are you asking to just be erased from humanity?
Yep.
Are you asking to be invisible? How can you be an 18-year-old man and say, I don't have the motivation to train as hard as possible and get as rich as possible? You are born to lose if you don't have motivation at 18. In the modern world, as competitive as it is, all those girls, those 18-year-old girls you go to school with, are talking to some 28-year-old man with a yacht somehow. And you're sitting there lonely, and you don't have motivation? You must be out of your mind. The only way to win this game is to become as powerful as possible. It's difficult, and it's getting harder and harder, and this is why I teach the things I teach to men. You can't just be Joe Schmo and win anymore. Those days are over. You have to be something else. This is how life works. There's no way to the top besides the difficulty and the pain and the trauma. I'm really flabbergasted that there's men out here who still believe they're going to somehow become something of importance without it. Of course she broke your heart. Good, good, good. Good. I'm tired of people complaining and crying about it. That's the game. That's the life.
Emotions are extremely important. I don't like that a lot of men are out here saying, don't feel emotions. No, feel emotions, be stoic, control them, but master them. But you're a human. And as a human, you need to have some degree of emotionality about you, and women will respect you if you have a range of emotions that they can detect, that they know are used in the right way, at the right capability that you can control, that allow you to be the most competitive version of yourself.
It's amazing how what goes around comes around. It's truly amazing. If you're good to people, if you're generous to people, if you're helpful to people, you'd be amazed how much influence you can build up. I say this to people all the time. I don't think if you're a hardworking person who is honest, who shakes hands, who tries to learn, who does what they're supposed to do, who has a good heart, that you're truly, really not going to be able to get what you want. I think the universe is absolutely and utterly giving. When I see somebody who says they want something and they don't have it, I don't even think they truly even want it. You can have anything you want in the world. When a guy goes, I want a six-pack, then why ain't you got one? If you wanted it, you'd have it. You'd like it. There's a bunch of things I'd like that I don't have, but I don't want them. Everything I've ever wanted, I've got. I've never wanted something and not had it. We all know what we're talking about here. There's things we'd like. I'd like to be able to figure skate. Not enough to go learn to figure skate.
Ego is extremely important. It's either a superpower or it's your detriment. If you have an ego that you work hard to justify, then it is a superpower. If you're egotistical and say, I deserve the best possible version of humanity and I want people to respect me, so I'm gonna live a life and do things that make it impossible to disrespect me. I'm gonna get in the cage and I'm gonna win all my fights and I'm gonna work hard and drive the best car and I have a nice big apartment and I'm gonna have important friends that allow me to do very important things and I'm gonna live a life of freedom because I believe I deserve that. That is a healthy ego which can help any man on earth. If you have an ego without those justifications, an ego you don't want to justify or have never justified and believe you're just special just because you have YouTube followers or you have a big mouth.
That's toxic masculinity.
Absolutely.
That's truly toxic.
The world is hyper-competitive. Every single thing in the world is competition. I don't think people realize I'm a hyper-competitive person because I understand that every single thing I want, somebody else wants. The girl I want, other people want. The car I want, other people want. The house I want, other people want. The lifestyle, the jet, every single thing you want, somebody else wants. It's a massive competition. As a man, you have two choices. You either accept that as a massive competition and try and play the game, or you just try and pretend it's not a competition and live in perpetual failure.
You have to wake up and say, you know what, I am the man. I'm gonna show everyone. And then how do you show everybody you're the man? You make the brave choice. What did I say earlier about bravery? How it radiates on you, how it can be seen in your eyes. That is how you have an ego which is helpful to your life. And that's how you have an ego which actually genuinely exudes confidence as opposed to exuding insecurity.
First things first, you need to be worthy of respect. And you're gonna be worthy of respect through having things which are difficult to acquire. So first things first, the basic things, you need to be very focused on trying to make money because people listen to you when you have money. They just do. Secondly, you need to be in fantastic physical condition because when you're in fantastic physical condition, it cannot be bought. It must be earned, and people know that. When you're in, I don't know about you, if someone walked in to sell me something and they were obese, I would not trust them the same as if they were in fantastic physical shape. Because I'd say, I don't think you have dedication and heart. I don't think there's something about you that I just wouldn't trust you the same. So fantastic physical condition and money is the first thing. The second thing, whatever your ideas are, you need to learn how to communicate them. Speaking is a superpower in and of itself. You need to become a fantastic communicator. You need to be comfortable in all realms of communication. You need to be persuasive. You need to be comfortable arguing. You need to be good at debating. There's a lot of people out there in the world who have ideas that they can't even project into somebody else's mind. How are you gonna rule the world with that? How are you gonna get your ideas out there and make an influence if you can't make other people understand exactly what you think? That's the first thing. Second thing, once they understand exactly what you think, you need to make them agree with what you think. These are two different skills. Must be practiced and must be learned. If you're 20 years old and you want to change the world, you need to be having endless debates, endless, without resorting to name calling, not on Twitter like a dummy, in person. And you need to come across in a way that people agree with you. You can catch more flies with honey than hurting people sometimes. So you need to be good at everything. You need to have a Swiss Army knife of tools. I know when to be intimidating or aggressive. I know when to come across as obtuse. I know when to come across as exceptionally open-minded and easy to understand. I know when to come across as understanding. I know all these things. This all has to be practiced. And a lot of it is, communication. I would say, you're going to say to a 20-year-old who's truly exceptionally driven, I'd say you need to become a master communicator. Because once you can do that, you can do anything. And that fixes all the other problems, right? You talk about making money. If you're a master communicator, you do fantastic in sales. You'll kill sales. You'll absolutely destroy sales if you're a master communicator.
Another thing that's really important, I want to talk about it, is that men need to have respect for women's emotional needs. Because we talk about provide and protect for them, but women are emotional creatures and sometimes they're going to get upset.
Yeah, providing is more than just financial.
Sometimes they're going to cry. Sometimes they're going to be illogical. Sometimes they're going to be sad. Sometimes they're going to call you and they're going to give you a headache. And you need to be man enough to deal with that and make her feel better. And you need to be stoic enough to not get annoyed by it and just be the rock she wants. The difference between men and women is if I call Tristan with a problem, we start talking about the solution. If a woman calls you with a problem, they don't often want to talk about the solution. They want to complain about the problem first.
Yeah.
That's the reality of it. So let them complain. Don't get upset about it. Don't scream about it. Don't cry about it. You need to be stoic enough, even though you're busy dealing with your entire empire and you have so much going on, and you don't understand why she's calling you over some tiny little issue. You need to be a man enough to make her feel emotionally secure. Women's emotionality cannot be ignored, because I'll tell you something that's really interesting about men. We're super hypocritical. We complain when a woman acts crazy, right? But as soon as she doesn't care anymore, we're messaging her, why don't you care? Why don't you love me? Then we want her to be crazy again.
Talking shit to your friends like, oh, she's got borderline personality disorder. No, you're just a loser.
Completely. So women are going to be crazy when they love you. And as soon as they don't love you, they're going to stop being crazy completely. And then you're going to wonder why she doesn't give a shit at all. So you're going to have to be able to provide a degree of emotional security and emotional safety net. And you do that being stoic enough to understand her moods and deal with her emotional needs without fighting with her all of the time. You don't have to take it so personal.
As a man, you have to be accountable for absolutely everything. Every single thing that happens is your fault. I didn't go to jail because of Romania. When I was in jail, it was my fault. Even though I don't believe it was just, even though I do not believe it was fair, even though I know I am innocent, it is my fault, because I didn't have to become so influential. I did it. But it's also my fault when I'm on the jet and living my perfect life. I did that. I did the good, I did the bad. You made her leave you. You did. Whether you like it or not, you are the reason she became so cold. You are the reason she doesn't listen anymore. You are the reason she's so arrogant all of a sudden. You are. You may not have identified why yet, but if you identify why, then you get into your next relationship healed and understanding what you did wrong and learn from it. That's what you have to do. But most of these men don't want the self-accountability.
I love that.
And they want to blame the women. You have to blame yourself.
You must do what's right because it is your duty, and for that alone. Not because you benefit from it, not because you gain from it, because it is your duty. Tristan and I do many things to our detriment, like talk on the internet. We don't need money. We don't need to help you. We don't need to save your life. To our
All right, welcome everyone on this beautiful stream over here on the YouTube. Let me fix one thing here. I think then we can start this shit really well. Just wait a minute. Yeah. So yeah, man. Let's see what we are doing over here. And looks like 4 hour candle did close bullish with a top wick, but this candle has no top wick. If this candle close above the range, I may not take a buy. Yeah, look at the 30-minute time frame. We are moving 50 pips. So looks like I may not get into the buys now. I'm waiting for some sort of retracement to happen and then go up, because look at the daily. I don't wanna take a buy when they're pushing up to grab the liquidity. And we also don't have a bottom wick for the 4 hour candle. My concern is no bottom wick for the 4 hour candle. I don't have any other concern. So previous 15-minute candle closed with no wick at the top. If this candle can close bearish, I think that would be the best idea. Yeah, that would be the best idea. And let me fix. Where is this again? Then what is this? Man, what the hell is going on? So all that shit is here. All right. Yeah. Yes, man. So I want this candle to close bearish 15. This 15-minute candle can close bearish. I think then we can come down to grab the liquidity, and that's it. And maybe this move up happened because of Israel launched some airstrike on the Rafah. So I don't know why this move happened, but it happened, man. Let me. Yeah, 67 people are killed and so yeah, I think let me put my mobile on the charge. So today we have a CPI. We may not see a move, but if we see, what if we see the move? We will get into that move, but we want the highest probability. Potential sells close below. I don't think so. We will get the potential sells. Oh wow. Yeah. How much is this range? 48 PPI. Yeah, man, no problem. If it goes up, it goes up. On the lower side, we also have 48 pip range. Potential sells below this area. I don't know what we have to do. Yeah, when I don't know, I just say, hey man, I don't know. Yeah. GJ spreads are crazy. EURUSD. Yeah, look at this, man. I had my sell stop over here, and I delete my sell stop in front of on the live stream, and that could be the stop loss if I would have the sell stop over here. This is not looking ideal. Yeah, let's stick to the gold, and let's see 30 minute. Yeah, 30 minute is the same area. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6. That could be the trade, but this candle has no bottom wick. Like this could be like 10 pips stop loss, 20 pips range over here. Like no one knows this candle will go up or down, but we can get the trade in the last 15, like before the 4-hour candle close. So GJ, UJ. This is also a no volume time. Like we can see the volume after 30 minutes. We may see this kind of close or move up, but that was the 4-hour candle open. Yeah, I want to see this candle to come down to retest this area 2020, and if we can retest that 2020 area, then we will have a 4-hour candle bottom wick, and if we can break the high one more time, then we can say, yeah man, we can go to this level, but for now I don't think so we can go anywhere. Yeah, this candle also has no bottom wick. Beautiful. 30 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes left for this candle to close. So yeah man, if I miss this trade, I will say to myself, hey man, listen, no problem. If If you miss this trade, no problem. All you have to do is to perform better on the next day. This is all what you have to do. So yeah. GBPJPY. GJ is in the range, so we can't touch GJ in this range. We need, so yeah, let's do some analysis on GJ, where I am looking for buys. Absolutely not above this range. Look at this rejection. I'm not looking for buys above this range. I think we are at the all-time highs. So you know what I'm gonna do now? Let me go to the home button. Alright. So this is where we can find some information. So above this area, 188, 860, we may look for buys, but before that, nothing is looking beautiful. Yeah, nothing is looking beautiful. Let me see. Where do we have? Yeah, nothing. Only thing that we have is here. This is where we have some. Oh, what just happened? Under. Oh. Above this area, I think these VIX area should be the concerning area, and remove this. And how the last daily candle close? Oh wow, it closed. Oh, strong bullish candle. We already filled the wick on the whatever time frame, on the daily time frame. Oh, Ali, bro, didn't even look at the chat section. So let me take you on the what we call this Discord, and yeah. Let me see gold. Oh wow, gold is breaking the high, no problem. Oh, it did break the high. Yeah, I think I will stay away from this shit because I have no confidence for now on gold. I really wanna see a retracement. After the retracement, I think I would be very good. I would be very, very good to get into this. Oh, wow. Yeah, we have 3 peoples and we also have 3 likes. Yeah, good. So you know what? Nothing we can do on the gold, man. This 4-hour candle has no bottom wick. This candle also has no bottom wick. If it push up, that would be good. Let me tell you why. So look at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we can wait for, like, we may see a rejection on the 30-minute time frame from this area. We may see this stuff. We come down, create a support over here, and then what? Go to this level. So yeah, this can happen also, but I don't think so there was any trade. Yeah, that was a little yesterday's trade, very little. That could be like 50 pips. My TP was over here, 33. Yeah, let me see. 15. Did it go to the top? Oh wow, yeah, it did. I'm not, I don't trust gold now. Oh wow, first we come down, then we came up. Wow, beautiful. So भाई gold range 2 buy करना क्या? Anup Praval. Bro, I don't give a fuck to range 2. I have no problem with range 1, range 2. I don't give a fuck. All I want from this is, so let's see what I'm waiting for. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's delete this. So look at this. Let's see the weekly time frame. Weekly, we have weekly candle is bearish. Daily is strong bearish. Look at this. Daily is strong bearish. A good bearish candle. This daily candle is coming up to create a top wick, and we all know this. It can come down at any time, and there's a high chances this candle can come down. Now we need a strong confirmation that can tell us, hey man, yeah, we can go up for a little more. But if we look at the 4-hour candle, this 4-hour candle has no bottom wick, man. When this candle has no bottom wick, that means, like, what daily is telling us? Daily is telling us, listen, Usman, I can come down to at any time. So 4-hour is also telling us, hey, Usman, I don't even have a bottom wick. So you know this. If I don't have a bottom wick, I most of the time, 80% of the time, I come down to create that bottom wick. So I was not confident enough. 1 hour is pushing up, is still open. Let's see 30-minute time frame. This 30-minute time frame has no bottom wick. So yeah, there was nothing for me to get into this trade. Anup Palarwal. But the thing is, no, I don't wait for the range 2 and stuff. I don't believe in that. Yeah, I don't believe in that. When I have to take the trade, I have to take the trade. When I don't have to take the trade, when I'm not feeling good, I don't take the trade. Yeah. Range 2, range 1, this is all bullshit. This is all bullshit. Most people think these are very useful concepts. For me, no. When you have to take a buy, just go for a buy, man. Why you are waiting for range to? So 4-hour candle looks like it closed above the range on GJ. Yeah, like little above the range, but by looking at these weak rejection, I'm not feeling good as long as we are below this area. Look, all these wicks. These are all the rejections. So we may reject from one more time. Like if we go to the left hand side, look at this wick. Yeah, there was a time when we were looked like we are extremely bullish, but what happened? We just come down. All these wicks tell us. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame, and man, we have more wicks. So if gold push up, I have no problem. I think then we can wait for the onion play setup, and that setup will give us the better setup. I would be happy to go for that setup. Yeah, because I'm not here in a rush process, because I know what I need. I only need one good trade. So what I have to do, I have to capitalize on that trade. But if I get 2 trades, that would be awesome. Yeah, if I get 2 trades, that would be awesome. But do you think I have to get into this risky buys? Not at all, bro. Not at all. So GJ is looking good for sell side. Yeah, GJ is looking good for sell side till this level. I don't think so there is any rejection on the 1 hour or on the 30-minute time frame. No, absolutely no. Yeah, we have pretty good clean range below this area. Look at this, like I'm not waiting for the range 2 buys. Look at the 4 hour is bullish, daily is bullish. I'm not looking for a range 2 sells over here. I'm just waiting for candle to close below the range so I can go for a sell. I have no problem to take a buys or take a sells. Like people show, hey man, I am waiting for range 2. My range 3 is coming. This is a range 4. What the hell is this? Like, are you stupid? Like, are you smoking weed? Bro, what is the problem with you? Like why you are making trading complicated? Trading is not complicated. This is just, it is very simple. But this simple step is very difficult. Trading is simple, not easy. Wow. This is a beautiful line. So you know what? I am going to say this area over here. Trading is simple. Oh, trading is easy, not simple. Wow, gold is pushing up. This is beautiful. Beautiful, man. If gold is pushing up, we have no problem. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know what trading is. Maybe it is simple, maybe it is hard, I don't know. I have no idea. Yeah. Yeah, man, this is how I avoid yesterday's loss over here. Yeah, I have my sell stop over here. I would see like 4 or 5 pips in profit and 20 pips loss. So yeah, that is why. And that was also not why I why I delete my sell stop, because look at this. This candle tapped into this area, and what happened? Reject. So I was like, yeah, this is a rejection area, not a trading area. What this candle did, it break this candle low and this candle low to activate sellers. But what happened? It again reject from this area. So this shit happened yesterday. So this is how I avoid this loss. Because, and look at yesterday I was looking at the same thing. Left hand side we have the rejection. I was waiting for this candle to close over here, then I would go on the candle open, and that could be the salary play. But what happened? This candle closed weak bullish. With this weak bullish candle, 4 hour closed strong bearish candle. If that 1 hour candle closed strong bullish, then this candle closed with a weak bearish body. Then I would go on the candle open, 4 hour candle open. I have my stop loss like 5 pips. I could easily target 10 pips, or maybe like, not if I don't close the trade, I could easily. No, I think I definitely close half, and like if I am in 10 pips in profit and if I close half, that means, oh wow, gold is pushing up. Look at this, no bottom wick for this candle too. So yesterday I was saying one thing, maybe this candle closed bullish. By looking at the numbers, I think this candle did not close bullish. There was no volume, but this candle is pushing up. It could also happen because of the Israel is doing some shit stuff with what we say, Hamas, or in Palestine. Yeah, they launched their strikes. Maybe because of this, gold is moving up, but we really don't know, bro. I am relaunching my signal tomorrow within an hour. I will be we will. The amount of time wasted in the Forex industry is scary. You're the reason to be here. I have had my morning coffee, cold shower, and workout complete. Yeah. So yeah, man. Tomorrow we will be trading data live with everyone. Oh, wow. Maybe I don't stream on the CPI. Maybe I do stream on the CPI. Yeah, we'll make the decision. So yeah, man, I may not stream for the, because I will get the link of yeah, there's a guy maybe who give the free session for today. I think I would love to join that session. We will be reading US inflation data live with everyone. The link to join US will be sent here at 8 a.m. Eastern for NY Open. The last time we did this, we maxed out the call, so make sure you guys shows up. Yeah, man, I will definitely shows up there. So yeah, maybe I don't do stream, but I will NSG pushing. Yeah, bro, pushing, no problem. The way it is pushing is a big problem. 4 hour has no bottom wick, 1 hour has no bottom wick, 30-minute has no bottom wick, 15-minute has no bottom wick. So the way it's pushing is concerning. So I am looking for same thing that I have said before. Let's go to the 30-minute line. Yeah, this is what my idea. If we can create a support somewhere over here, because we also have to give this 4 hour candle a bottom wick. So that is why I want a pullback over here. But if we miss till now we didn't miss anything, because this candle, if this candle came down, give this candle a bottom wick, then I would definitely go with this trade, like 17 pips stop loss, maybe like I would be in this trade, or maybe close. No, but this is not a resistance, because that was a move, so there is no rejection. Rejection is over here at 2028. Gold is pushing. Yeah, it is pushing. Bro, I have no problem with the gold if it came all the way up to wherever it wanna go. Like, yeah, after the 49 pip move, I can't get into the 52 pip move. I can't get into the buys or whatever. If this candle had a bottom wick, then I could get into this trade, but other than that, I don't think so there was anything for me. Yeah. candle open. 12. Beautiful. 20 pip move over here. But man, no problem. Like 20 pip move is nothing, bro. Like we have to do this every day, not for one day. We are not here for only one day. We are not here for only 1 week. We really want to do this at least 10 years. So if you have a long plan with trading, bro, then you will learn more by looking at the charts as compared to get into the trades and look for some quick money and quick scalps. No, you will learn. Oh, Anas, I have a question for you, bro. Bro, did you took the trade with Nick yesterday? Yeah, Ali was telling me he took another loss, and then I was watching the stream. I was watching the Donwood stream, and I also did watch the Nick stream. Yeah, bro, he took one more loss yesterday. That was a pretty bad loss. Like 30-minute was like, sometimes we can say, man, this is a wick fill, but look at this candle body, 21 pip. This candle wick is 40 pips, 39 pips. So that doesn't mean we will fill this wick. This is a rejection candle, and if we look at the 15-minute candle, look at this 15-minute candle. The best thing would be here to wait for the 15-minute candle to create a support over here. And no, I did not take any trade yesterday. Yeah, good, man, good. Yesterday was very bullshit. Not a bullshit, but if this candle would have a top wick, then yesterday could be the best day, man. Like for make me, yeah, the one make hook does make any sense, does not make any sense. Yeah, bro, because 15-minute was extreme bearish, man. Like if you have a bearish candle that has a 30 pips body, just body 30 pips, I'm not including the wicks, a candle that has a 30 pip body, and you are taking the trade in opposite direction. And I was also looking at his 80% close. His 80% close were over here, like 7-8 pips. If he get into the 7-8 pips in profit, he would definitely go break even. So my thing is, if you think, yeah, all the traders are doing the same thing. Like before entering the trade, they are finding the reason. They are avoiding. Yeah, man, I don't want to get into this trade. This kind of has no bottom wick. Like when they are in the trade, they were like, yeah, we can reject from this area, we can reject for this area, we can. Bro, if you think you can reject from this area, why you took this trade? If you think there is no one-to-one RR, why you took this trade? So like, why I didn't get into this trade? Because no bottom wick. Why I exit this trade? Because no bottom wick. For me, there was the same reason for entering the trade and exit the trade. But like, I don't want to move my stop loss to break even, because I was thinking like, man, if your trade on gold is up 10 pips, it takes 10 seconds. Gold need 10 seconds to stop you out at break even. So the only stop loss that makes sense at that time was this candle high, and I have my stop loss above this candle high. I think I could wait. Well, yeah, man, but yeah, the thing that I did, I think, yeah, if Ali came to the stream, then I will talk something with him like how we can manage that trade better. Like, was there any chance for us to manage that trade better? This is the thing that we will talk today. And also, guys, if you're on the stream, leave a like, guys. I think that would help me a lot to leave a like. भाई gold range 2 buy करना है क्या? So so yeah, man. Tucker Carlson after Putin interview. Yeah, I want to know your word. Oh, let me see one thing. How much impression Tucker Carlson get on? मैंने नोट करो लगा किसी ने भी ऐसी हरकतें नहीं की थी जो आज वीडियो छोड़ने पर युद्ध कर रहे हैं। ये फर्क है मुस्लिम लीग और युद्ध का मैन वाश देने का। Qadir Wasim is on fire, bro. He is just like नहीं दलाल होना चाहिए, तुमसे बड़ा बुजुर्ग जब तारा तारा नुमाया नाम पिस्सू लड़ने लग गए और म्यूट कर दिया। कोई शर्म होती है, कोई हिया होता है। Oh shit. वसदुल्ला खान ने क्या खूब कहा, कलम बेचने वाली जिस्म बेचने वाली तवाइफ से बदतर है। This is the editing picture. Yeah, this is the edited picture. Raja caught the move. Fuck man, if he caught the move. He took a buy, bro. How he took a buy? Let me see. Where you see his post? Oh shit. Oh no. He took a buy. Oh wow. I was also talking about this buy, bro. Like I said, the only buy that makes sense for me was this buy. Look at this. I was talking about this buy. He also took the trade from here. Yeah. If this candle would have a little bottom wick, I would definitely go for this buy. And that buy makes sense for me. But I was like, if he took this buy, this is not a good idea. Yesterday he also took the same buy over here. And then he closed his trade. He was like, yeah man, I'm not feeling comfortable because now price is way too up.
Sure whether we're gonna hit TP or not, but yeah man, see trader right here. Working out amazingly well. Close this position. Secure. Perfect.
Yeah, wow man. This man is on fire. Every day, bro. He don't miss the trades at all. He don't miss the trade. I don't know why. He is a pretty bro. After 7 years of experience in trading, you will also do the same thing. Yeah, you will also do the same thing. So
करता हूं और आजाद उम्मीदवार जो भी मार्क्स नाम है उनका क्या नाम है सैफ बारी वो जीता है जेन्युइन तरीके से जिसके वोट बेचारे के 31,000 से कम करके बदली।
oh wow, this is still pushing up. Wow. Look at this, man. God is pushing. No problem. If you are getting FOMO. Oh, what happened with GJ? Oh, fuck. I didn't even look at the Forex factory today. Oh, shit. Missed the trade, bro. Missed the trade. Numbers are positive. Oh, shit. Missed the trade. Was there any trade? No, there was any trade. There wasn't any trade, bro. Yeah, nothing. We missed nothing. No problem. Yeah, no problem. Absolutely no problem. Yeah, we have absolutely no problem. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, shit. Gold is pushing up. Oh, that could be the buy. Yep. Yeah, man. DJ. Oh, I didn't even look at this thing. Oh, wow. Did not even look at GJ. Yeah, man, it is what it is. He took a buy. He can take a buy. Yeah. So, oh, wow. Oh, monthly candle break the high over here, man. Monthly. Look at the monthly. Break the high. Wow, beautiful. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I took the test trade on pound yen with 1 cent. Running beautiful. 12, 13 pips. Yeah, let's close this. Yeah. Oh, I took this. Like, I didn't even make the plan. The problem was I don't have the plan. So, my stop loss was there, 7 pips. If I had the plan, then I could do something better there, but yeah, bro, I didn't. Like, guys, why you didn't tell me, bro? Today we have a news. If you tell me that, I would definitely like give you this trade, but I also took this trade with just 1 cent, only at a price action. But if you guys tell me, hey bro, listen, we have a news, what do you wanna say? Then I would definitely tell you, bro, yeah, let's go for a buy. Let's go for a buy. But yeah. Look at the sniper exit, man. Like, after looking at the numbers, I think 12 pips was enough. Like, this 5-minute candle has no bottom wick. I was like, yeah, it is a time to come down for this candle to create a bottom wick. Yeah, if you tell me about the news, I don't know why I didn't look at the Forex factory today. If I know the Forex factory, I would definitely go for that. Uh, so early wins and momentum. Why was this trade taken? Posting breakdown later. Bro, 2025/70. No. Like, he took 50 pips. Oh, he took this trade with a 10 lot trade. Wow.
I'm not too sure whether we're gonna hit GP or not, but yeah, man, C trader right here, working out amazingly well. Gonna close this position, secure.
He secured 42 pips. Oh, wow. Beautiful. He is, he is a big motherfucker. Mm. Mm. Hmm. Yeah. Oh, yeah. If only Michael Jackson knew how beautiful he was. Yeah, reality. Yeah, man. Yeah, look at this, man. 5 minute candle did close bearish. It is nearly, and I think we also tapped into the, yeah, we also tapped into the 189. So yeah, it makes sense for this to reject a little bit, but gold is not rejecting over here. Gold is not rejecting over here. Oh, bro. Don't spoil. तो दौड़ गए कि खाना तीनों फॉर्मेशन में हिस्सा लिया तीनों ही हार कर घर पहुंच गए दिल बेजार है दुनिया की फरेबी रौनकों से ये भी सही है आओ man when I look at the pictures of people on the yeah when I look at the pictures of the people that like this is my fun time this is my fun time mm. Yeah, gold is pushing. Gold is pushing. Yeah, man. Man, just imagine if we do have a bottom wick on this candle. That would be our move. Yeah, if we do have a bottom wick. But now we don't have a bottom wick, so yeah, no problem. We don't have a bottom wick. This is why I bite people. Oh. Wow, DJ pushing again. Pushing again. So yeah, if I move stop loss to break even, yeah, no problem. Like, yeah, we've done a beautiful thing over here. Forgot my voice. Wow, candle close below the range. Let's wait for the 30-minute candle. Close above the range, and let's see the left hand side. Oh, left hand side was not clean. Yeah, let's see, man. He took a buy. All right, so you were talking about. So man, I think yeah, one of my relative is talking about the hen. Someone stolen his hen, and now he found that hen from one person, and now they are talking about that hen, bro. Like you don't even have a clue what kind of problems we have here. You don't even have a clue. Our problems are, we are different, bro. We are not same. We are different. If this kind of has a bottom, wake up, man. Shit. Yeah, no problem. I only need one trade. So, no so tartali 943. Maybe it is like 30 pips, 35 pips. Oh shit. Bro. We didn't even have any of the. Oh, numbers were good. Numbers were good. Numbers were good. All the numbers were good, man. Mm. I know a lot of fakes that hide behind fancy words and fake words. Good morning, bro. Raja, you're making too much money, man. And yeah, so you know what? No. Let me do this over here. This is all that I have planned. And let me take the snapshot, or we can say a screenshot. And let me post this on Twitter. Oh, no. Yeah, USD. And this is for the London session. If you guys miss the first move, no problem. Just wait for the retracement. Just wait for the retracement and support to form. And you need support to form for you to take a buy. Okay, man. This is like Forex tips. Is it? Yeah, is it off? Forex tips, trading. Forex tips. Oh man, yeah. Oh man. Yeah. Pre-London session, got created high, got retraced, made a support. What means the vertical that we trusted entry was based on impercentage after breaking the high of the previous 30-minute candle, SL below the previous candle. The 4-hour now bottom week plus already made 3 bullish candles. Don't know the reason for entering this trade. Bro, he did not enter on that candle. I think the bull flag is the best reason for long. Bull flag. Hamza Nakwi. Can we start calling this the slingshot lol? 1 hour from support even higher than previous. Yes sir. Oh wow. People get into the trades. But how you take the trade inside the range and you need that breakdown video, need to learn. Oh, excuse me, man, this is too I scared the success a bit. Raja banks. So fake breakout and you waited for the pullback. Once it get in the range, wow. So got the same trade as you, Raja. Not going to talk about. Man, I think I should call it a day now. I will wait for the retracement. If the retracement happen, then that would be awesome. If it not, then I could simply wait for the this is like a 30 pip move if we take it as a percent, like 25 pip move, no problem, bro. Like we have 25 pip move every day, but I think the one trade that was pretty good was this trade. This trade. That could be the best trade. Other than that, I don't think so there was any good trade. So let me see the numbers. They were looking for good numbers or bad numbers. They were looking for bad numbers, but the numbers came good. Okay. Yeah, bro. That could be the trade on the pound yen, but it is what it is, bro. Like every day we do look at the nothing has changed at large. Amplify. Say it more loudly. Fuck, man. Yeah, should we call it a day? I think we should. Like, price already pushing up. Like, just respecting the lows and breaking the highs. Respecting the lows, breaking the highs. Look at this. Respecting the lows, breaking the highs. Yeah, man. Not a big move, like 25 pip move, just. Today we also have, 12:30 we had the CPI for CPI. Oh, numbers came really bad. Gold still will push up, I think. Gold will still push up. Numbers are really, really bad. Not really bad, I think. Yeah. So, let's sign my cameras. If you know, you know what's cooking. Congratulations on the new penthouse. Bro, Raja Banks is trying to Raja Banks always try to like roast everyone. Everyone. Whoever he know, he just roast. Oh man. Raja Banks is just Hey, Thomas Smith, go to hell, man. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah. With $1,000? Wow. Amazing. So, yeah, man, I don't want to waste my time over here. Yeah, I don't want to waste my time over here. I think for me it is best to call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day. Yeah, man. I am gonna head off now. Yeah, man.
say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. Turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.